Hi guys, kamusta kayo? Welcome back for our video for today, So for today's video guys, we're going to review two different exchange, which is BitFi and Bitfinex. Okay. So first, let's check what BitFi can offer and what Bitfinex can offer in terms of futures trading. So guys, let me show my UID and account. This is my UID and this is my username on BitFi. So anyway, balik tayo. So BitFi so ano si BitFi? So si BitFi is build your dream finance And si Bitfinex naman is ang sabi ba dito kay Bitfinex? Ba't hindi natin makita yung kanyang home Medyo nakakalito lang, hindi siya ganun ka user friendly. Anyway, let's check the futures trading guys on BitFi and Bitfinex. So gawin lang nating dark mode. Yan. So as you can see, I have a ongoing trade. Okay. So here on BitFi guys, BitFi offers up to 200x leverage So we can see here on upper right, up to 200x leverage on BitFi guys. Imagine if you're a scalper and you can make a good profit within a short period of time. And here on Bitfinex, this team is not a user friendly guys for me Bitfinex is not a user friendly. So where's the leverage on Bitcoin, derivatives, BTC perpetual? Okay. So Bitfinex guys offers up to 100x leverage only on Bitcoin as you can see. And this kung mapunta tayo dito sa trading, ito po yung appearance ng Bitfinex. Medyo marami siyang kung hindi siya ganun ka user friendly. Check naman natin yung assets, balances. So ito po yung makikita nyo kapag pumunta tayo sa wallets and ipakita naman natin yung sa BitFi. Kung sa BitFi naman guys, ganito lang kasimple yung makikita natin. So meron tayo ditong hold na Arbitrum. Na-topic ko to sa nakaraang video ko, how to do your first spot trading Yan, ito po yung asset natin. Meron tayong Arbitrum, Lever, XRP, and sa futures naman is ito yung ating asset sa futures trading. So ito po yung appearance kung makikita ninyo. Mas madali pong maintindihan para sa akin dito sa BitFi kasi deposit, withdraw, send, transfer lang. So dito meron pang mga ganito, may quick transfer, quick conversion. Medyo hindi lang, medyo nakakalito lang and click nga natin yung more what Bitfinex can offer sa kanilang nasa ng dito reward center. So siguro dito. So sabi dito, welcome to Bitfinex affiliate dashboard earn unlimited commission up to 3 degrees of connection. So up to 3x lang and kung makikita naman natin sa BitFi, which is ito yung kanilang affiliate program Ang sabi dito, earn up to 50% of commission. Alam ko hanggang up to 10x ito kasi meron silang multi-level na commission na nagwo-work kahit sa pinakababa ng iyong invite. So dito guys, if you also want to join a BidFi affiliate program, you can click here the apply now, ano, then fill upon nyo lang to, o pwede din kayo makakuha ng offer dito, no. So if you click this apply now, ay ito pala, pipill up pa natin to. Kailangan natin tong i-fill up guys, ano. Pwede nyo din naman akong i-contact via Telegram. Ang aking username is @cryptopalangs, and I will connect you guys to our manager na mga growth manager ng BidFi, ano, para makapag-settle tayo ng affiliation. Ang ano kasi sa affiliation, it's a win-win situation guys. You promote BidFi and BidFi will promote you. Kumbaga magkakaroon nga tayo ng social media exposure. And ito naman yung community airdrop. Kumbaga kayo yung may-ari ng isang specific group, and syempre para mag-benefits din ang inyong mga member, ano, in exchange for promoting BidFi. BidFi can provide such event like deposit event, register event, trading competition, meme event, etc., games, anything to support your community. And sabi pa dito, meron pa more exclusive benefits, access offline meetups, branded gifts, and exclusive trading contest, and more. Marami pa po, hindi lang po yun, hindi lang dun nagtatapos ang ibibigay ni BidFi. Ang sabi dito, how it works, as simple as ABC. I-share lang po natin ang ating referral link sa ating mga kaibigan, kakilala dito sa crypto space, and the referral sign up with your link. When someone click your links and sign up for an account, we track it through the affiliate center. Meron pong affiliate center sa BidFi, kumbaga real time yung makikita kung sino yung mga nag-trade, nag-deposit. You can also adjust the commission of your user. Ang maganda pa dito guys, ano sila, dedicated affiliate center. Mabanggit ko lang, BidFi support is 24/7 working guys. Anytime you can contact the customer support, ano, sasagot sila. So balik ta dito sa ang sabi dito, how much BidFi affiliates make, ano. Si BidFi po is nag-o-offer ng up to 50% commission, pero ang pagkakaalam ko, it is up to 70% guys, not 50. And there is no limit to the number of the people and trades you can earn from. Kumbaga unlimited po yun. Kung talagang nagtitrade sila araw-araw, maya makukuha nyo po yung commission nun in real time doon sa inyong affiliate center, ano, para i-withdraw papunta sa inyong spot balance. And hindi lang doon nagtatapos guys, kasi si BidFi is merong welcome reward para sa mga bagong user. Makikita natin yan dito. And ito naman yung advanced task. It is about the deposit, ano. So what more can BidFi can offer? Balik tayo sa buy crypto, ano. So here guys, also you can buy crypto directly on BidFi using your debit card, ano. Tapos lang natin to. Okay. So ayun, ang pwede nating magamit dito is si Transact, Visa, pwede natin magamit si Transact via Visa, Mastercard, and SEPA transfer. Meron din sila guys option na Google Pay and Apple Pay via Alchemy Pay. Kung Alchemy Pay ang gamit natin, pwede tayong mag-direct So medyo may kamahalan lang sa pag-top up using debit card. Pero natural naman yun na may fee talaga kasi I know some other exchange they charge for depositing using your debit or credit card para makapag-deposit dito sa BitFi and bumili ng USDT direct sa mga payment channel na ito na sinda Transact, Bansha, Coinify, Mercurio, and Alchemy Pay. So, how about the spot trading on BitFi, So guys, hindi kayo mauubusan kasi BitFi offers 400 plus trading pairs, Kung ano yung gusto nating bilhin na token, malayang malaya tayo na mabili yung ating gusto na coin, Kasi napakarami po, Meron silang meme coins, metaverse, ayan, GameFi token, Layer 2, Hong Kong concept, DeFi, storage, Gray Polkadot, Fan token, NFT, BSC, Proof of Work, and assessment. So, mostly ako, I love holding Layer 2 coins kasi marami pa namang problem sa Layer 2 na hindi pa talaga nasusolusyonan, And ito po yung kanilang mga Layer 2 token na listed here on BitFi. Okay, wait lang, balik tayo dun sa pakita ulit natin yung Layer 2 tokens na listed kay BitFi, ayan. So marami pong nakalista na Layer 2 token dito sa BitFi like XTC, BChain, Tron, Solana, Scale, Omega Network, Near Protocol, Polygon Matic, Lunsi, Luna, Loopring Network, ClayTN, and Internet Core Protocol, and Phantom Network, Flow, EOS, yan, mga yung token na yan, Polkadot, and Stellar, Boba Network, BNB, Avax, Atom, and Astar Network, marami pong nakalista dito, yan, libre tayo makapamili ng maayos ng ating bibilhin na spot na coin, na i-hold natin syempre for bull run. And last thing guys, this army section, how does it work? Okay, check muna natin si Bitfinex. Meron silang OTC. What is OTC? Staking. Yun lang ang good thing dito kay Bitfinex, meron silang staking, pero don't worry guys, BitFi have a plan for this staking features, P2P, NFT marketplace within the app itself, so napaka ganda po ni BitFi kapag natapos na yung mga updates na yun, sa kanilang exchange, so anyway, balik tayo dito sa BitFi, so balik tayo dito sa RB, so guys, if you want to join in BitFi Army Partner Program, kailangan lang po natin ng 4 na steps. So, join Telegram, sign up using specific link, which is the Army link, you can find it on Telegram when you join. And third is fill out the application form, para maging valid BitFi Army na tayo. And ito naman po, ang panghuli is welcome aboard, you're already a BitFi Army. So, ganun lang siya kadali, hindi na natin ng kung ano-anong mahabang gagawin. ano nga ba yung mga pwede nating pagkakitaan dito sa Army, ano? So, ang Army po is napakaraming promotion, like the video content creation, ano pa ba, um, trading competition sa Army group, invite friends, my day, okay, and napakarami pa pong events na pwede nating masalihan dito sa Bidpay Army, ano. So ayun lang guys for today's video. I hope you find my video very helpful to you. So once again, Bidpay versus Bitfinex. So tatandaan, si Bidpay is nag-o-offer ng up to 200x, while Bitfinex offers only 100x, ano. So doble yung leverage na ino-offer nila. So ayun lang guys, thank you for watching my video. Happy trading, good morning and good night.